Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to give you a quick introduction of how you can help yourself in allocating the subjects by using the faculty ID. Firstly, I want to mention it that all the fields which will be allocated and given over here needs to be fulfilled, and the process is here as follows. So first, you need to put on your ID. Then you have to put on the password, okay, associated with your ID, of course, and then put on the captcha which has been assigned. Sign in. Sign in, and as you sign in, there will be the option of quick access. Click onto that. After that, there will be an option of teaching and learning, and there will be a sub option. The first sub option is class and attendance. Click onto that. Okay, and the first option you'll get after that is subject allocation. As you set yourself on that, you will be given with three options. A page will open in front of you, where you will be having the option of select your select your program. Suppose you select BSc Agriculture, of course, and then you will be have to choose the batch. Okay, the batch, of course, indicates the year you have started the education with the institution. Okay, the year you have associated yourself with. Suppose you to take 2008 and 9. With this, click on to new. Okay, after clicking on to new, you will get four different options over here. The first is your course. Of course, the course signifies the specialization. Okay, of course, if you're doing BSc Agriculture, so you have to choose your specialization in which you're doing that. Suppose I choose this Adhunik Punjabi KAAV, and then you have to choose your semester. Okay, suppose you're in first. Section, if it's applied to you, if you have your section, then do put it on. That's very mandatory. Suppose section A, and then if it's not there, of course you have the option of putting NA. That's not applicable. Go on to group. Okay, if you're put into another specific group in your class, then do mention that. Suppose you're put into a group C, do that. And after you're done with this page, fulfilling all the details which are mandatory, click on to enabled, which gives you visibility. And lastly, of course, you have to click on to update, because without that, whatever you have put, whatever the data or whatever you have put it on, doesn't get updated, which is the main motive of yours. As you can see, your updated version is already there. And I hope this recording has helped you. Thank you.